I am Paul Polotan. I am a songwriter who is laos na. Okay. Yes. First time to work with her, and I'm very excited because Eugene is, she's one of the actors that I really admire. And, I like her work ethic. I like the way she attacks her roles, and saka the way she chooses movie roles. She talked to me a while back and really akala naman niya mahirap ako i-convince sa mga yung kaladkarin. But I think she's very excited about the project, so am I. I'm very excited. Lalo na kasama namin din si Gary. I've never done a film with Gary or with Shasha. And musical, it's not the first of its kind, pero it's the first that has used Apos music, which is, diba, ano natin yan, music ng panahon natin yan.
So hindi po kayo nahirapan mag-decide na tanggapin yung project since?
Oh no, not at all. Medyo natagalan lang kasi I had a few things to do. Pinapos ko yung soap ko.
So paano po yung preparations para sa movie?
Well, we've been, last week we had a look test. So, upon reading the script, medyo nakikita ko na kung paano ko gagawin. Of course, I'll ask Direct Chris his opinion about the character, but I pretty much have an idea already of how to do it. So, and also, nag-recording na kami. So, when I was recording it, I sort of tried to record it in a way that it wasn't always singing. It was more of the Paul singing it. So, and maganda. Hindi siya madali. Hindi siya madaling gawin. And I think there's a lot of challenge on all of our parts.
Di ba parang singer kayo, supposedly parang tingin ng tao madali na for you.
Hindi lang naman akong involved, di ba? It's a film, so many aspects of the work that's needed, di ba? So it's not as easy as you go to the shoot and then that's it. I mean, we had rehearsals. I rehearsed with the choreographer, kasi may choreography na naman din. Visually, I think the challenge is ma-translate namin yung kwento. Sabi nga ni Uge, ang bida rito yung kwento. And the kwento is very Pinoy. Pero gamitan mo ng music, nakaiba yun. So the challenge talaga is ma-translate namin yun sa film, yung gusto namin.
Pero any expectation po, kasi si Sir Chris po, yung mga past movies niya medyo nag-hit po talaga, like yung pinaka-bago yung kay Miss Mipure. And ano po yung expectation mo this week?
Hindi ko kasi iniisip yung mga ganun no? Of course, a hit is a hit. A hit is a good thing. But I think, parang ngayon, mas iniisip ko yung ano ba natin pagagandahin to? Ano ba natin mas magiging entertaining kung pelikula to? In a way na hindi natin nasa-sacrifice yung vision ni Direk. Kasi siya nagsulat at nag-direct niya to. Yung hit will come, I think, kasi ang ating mga manonood, pag nagustuhan nila, mapakita nila yun. So, challenge talaga is for us to come up with a good product. And that's the exciting part, diba? That's part of the journey. As now that we're starting the film, I can already feel yung excitement and it's a good thing I'm friends with si Uge at si Gary, kaibigan ko din, at si Shashin. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Sir, ginagawa niyo rin yung boy pickup na yun?
Yeah.
Hindi po ba mahirap yung schedule?
Siyempre mahirap.
Sabay po ba talaga yung...
May every other salit-salit sila. So this March and April will be very challenging for me. So, prayers sana ma-sustain ko yung health ko at hindi ko rin naman mapabayaan yung pamilya ko na syempre dyan pa yung si baby, diba? But I have a very understanding wife and trying to prepare myself mentally para hindi naman ako ma-stress masyado sa shoot. But, ako naman ang attitude ko lagi sa trabaho, kailangan enjoy natin. So, kasi, hindi, magiging mabigat yung trabaho para sa'yo.
So, since magiging busy po kayo sa movies, wala po bang chance na parang magkaroon ng repeat yung mistake?
Ay, hindi na siguro kasi i-air na yung concert sa TV.
Or bringing it abroad?
Hindi pa namin napapag-isapan kasi si Mrs. gusto niya mag-breastfeed ng mga isang taon.
Talaga.
So, hanggat yun ang gugustuhin niya, susundan natin. Boss yun But, pwede naman siguro, maybe a few cities, kasi hinihiling talaga.
Oo nga.
Dami nagre-request sa
maganda yung show na I was there.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Nagpapasalamat kami siyempre sa PEP, sa lahat at happy anniversary nga pala sa inyo.
Thank you po.
Kasi, napakaganda ng reception doon sa concert, nakakatuwa na yung mga fans ni Regine nagpuntahan doon. I was really very happy for my wife because it's been a while since she last performed. There was a little bit of pressure on her, but when she started opening her mouth and singing those songs, God was really singing through her, and very, very proud of my wife. Ako naman, I'm just there to support her. I was very happy and blessed to see that she was happy.
As a fan po, parang na-miss ko rin talaga si Regine na nagka-concert. Siya po, sa personally, siya po ba talagang na-miss?
Oh yeah, obvious naman sa kanya sa reactions niya, nung nagpe-perform na siya talagang may energy niya So, sabi ko nga sa kanya, dapat mag-show pa ng mag-show kasi talagang binigay sa'yo ng Panginoon yung gift na yan and na-miss ka talaga ng fans.
Pero sa, Party Pilipinas, magiging regular?
Hindi ko alam ang huli niyang sabi sa akin, hindi pa daw
Parang guest appearances lang din.
I cannot answer that for sure. It's all up to her.